How can you configure your Affinda models to ensure it identifies the right information every time? In this video, we'll show you how. Let's start with a model for company balance sheets. Our first step in ensuring accurate extraction is to validate the data on an example document. We do this by examining each field and verifying that the data predicted by the model is correct. In this instance, most of the data seems to be correct. However, we're missing one field, current liabilities. To rectify this, we'll draw a box over the data that should have been extracted, find the field name, and click Confirm. Once we're satisfied that everything else is correct, we'll confirm the document. This will add it to our model's memory. The model dynamically references the documents added to its memory, ensuring consistently high accuracy without the need for periodic retraining and constant prompt engineering. We can change how the model memory is saved in our settings. Let's head back to our workspace and navigate to the workflow settings on the left-hand side. Let's scroll down and configure our validation settings. Here you will find three options for managing model memory: auto, manual, or always. The auto setting is typically recommended as it helps to keep model memory from becoming excessively large, making it easier to audit. Returning to the workspace, we can now upload another document. This document will benefit from the example that was just added to model memory. The model has accurately predicted all fields on this document, including the previously overlooked current liabilities field. In the Actions menu at the top of the screen, we can select to view the model memory reference document. Viewing this confirms that the model was able to reference the recently validated example when processing this new document. To return to the document validation UI, click Done. In more advanced cases, you might want to add a description to specific fields to assist the model with its predictions. To do this, we navigate to Configure Fields, which opens up the Document Type Configuration menu. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's add a description to Net Current Assets. First, locate the field and click the pencil icon. Then click Add Description. Here we can add an additional explanation to the field to give the model even greater context. This information will enhance the model's performance and will be used in addition to the validated documents in the model memory. While prompts can be a useful advanced option to ensure continual improvement for different variations, we recommend adding more documents to the model memory by validating additional examples. With these tips, you can achieve the last mile of accuracy when extracting data from documents. Happy automating!